What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, back with another video. Today, as y'all know, it's the next morning. I got up early this morning, and I said, man, I'm gonna do this here while it's still early, guys, and while the sun's still in. So that's what I'm gonna do. I got up early, guys, and I went down to my local AutoZone, and I got me a bushing set. Actually, I paid like $7 for this here. It come with 4 different bushings. So we're gonna be using one of these here to actually fix the truck today, guys. So I was thinking I probably had to buy the whole the shift linkage wire, but y'all know they start making, once they find out like pretty much what the problems be, you know, they start helping people out along the way, man. So we don't have to order that. So I'm gonna get everything situated, and I'm gonna cut y'all back on. But for now, let me go up in here and grab my little pliers. So guys, this never happened, man. You don't have to call no tow truck. You don't have to pay these people. I show you how to get it done for $10 in 10 minutes. So that's the good thing about the channel, guys. We show y'all how to get it done. Bunch of DIY, bunch of do-it-yourself tutorials and videos, things like that. That's why you should subscribe to the Wolf Stop, because we don't call tow trucks. We don't call tow trucks, none of that done. We have problems, we get them done. But other than that, guys, hold up. I'm gonna turn this camera back on. Let me tiptoe around this house because it is early and everybody pretty much asleep, so. All right, guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna be showing you the tools that's gonna be needed for this here job. So I think I'm just gonna take my little miscellaneous toolbox and my Sprite. So you're pretty much gonna need, you know, like supplies, needle nose, long nose, whatever these are, and your Sprite. But nah, no, for real, guys, you should just need like some pliers and the actual bushing set. But as y'all can see, I done put on my little work hat. But let's get it. All right, guys. So y'all can see when you're under it, y'all can clearly see the problem. I'm gonna try to hold this here. Well, as you guys can see right here, I just busted from the housing. And that's what we're gonna be fixing. So let's get it, guys. So out of this bag of bushings I got, it came with four. And I'm thinking all 4 of them is like a different size. So, and I think it's the smaller one, guys, just from a look. So that's the one I'm gonna go ahead and try first, guys. I'm gonna try this smaller one. So give me a second, I'm gonna cut you back on. All right, guys, so now I'm finished. Pretty much got everything squared away. I'm gonna put the new bushing on. Y'all like my hair? But nah, all for real though. All jokes aside. No. Let me turn this camera around real quick. All right, guys. Moment of truth. Start my truck. Let me shut this door. All right, guys. So for the moment of truth, let's see. As y'all can see, it's going reverse. Neutral. Drive. Truck shifting real good, guys. So, yeah, guys, that's what you do. If you ever had this here problem, first thing, like I said, you want to do is check up underneath. First thing you want to do, guys, is check up underneath your truck and see if the transmission shift cable is hooked up. If your transmission cable is not hooked up, then you know that's your problem. But other than that, guys, this the fix. This is how you fix your GM that don't want to shift out of park. Like I said, guys, first thing you want to do is slide up underneath the truck, your vehicle, and look for your shift linkage by your transmission. If you see it's unfastened, then you know that's your problem. Well, YouTube, that'll wrap this video up for now. It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop. Until the next video, y'all guys remember positive lives, spread positive vibes. We'll see y'all. Peace.